everyone, and welcome back to Yes Tech. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the V7 HA701 headphones. It's also worth noting that I have not been sponsored nor endorsed by V7 in any way, and I'll be giving my full true opinion. Let's begin the unboxing. Included are the headphones themselves, as well as an audio cable and an informational pamphlet. Right out of the box, these headphones look really sleek. But with a price of only $40, can they be any good? These headphones do have a very premium feel. They're also adjustable to fit your head. They're pretty comfortable on your head, but the ear cups seemed a bit too small for my ears. Some of the foam was pressing on my ear. Sound quality is quite good, with bass frequencies also sounding great. Unfortunately, the volume keys seem to stick. Thankfully, the play-pause button does work. It's also worth noting that the volume and playback controls weren't compatible on my PC. I also couldn't get the microphone to be loud enough to be usable. I'm not sure if it's a problem with the mic or if it was my computer. So, let's see how many things listed on the package are actually true. They are definitely lightweight headphones, and they do have a clear sound, but the premium foam is not that comfortable. I haven't tried call answering, and the volume control sticks. It's not looking great for these headphones. Luckily, the sound quality, which is the only thing most people would care about, is great. So let's recap. We've got good sound quality, premium feeling materials, and these headphones aren't expensive, but they're slightly uncomfortable with sticky volume keys and a non-reliable microphone. So, should you buy these headphones? Well, that entirely depends on what you're going to use them for. They're a good option if you want a decent sounding budget listening experience, however the microphone is not something I trust. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video has given you insight on whether you should buy these headphones. If you liked today's video, be sure to leave a like, and for more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe. That's it for this video. You've been watching Yes Tech, and I'll see you next time.